What's up, guys and girls? Jesse Daley here. Welcome back to Daily Weather and welcome back to Today in the Tropics. I am here on the beautiful island of St. Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands. The weather is looking really nice right now here in the U.S. Virgin Islands, but the National Hurricane Center is monitoring several areas for potential cyclonic development, including an area still in the Gulf of Mexico that will at least bring lots of rain, if not more of a developed system into areas around Florida possibly. So let's take a quick look at what the National Hurricane Center is looking at. Alrighty, my friends, as we can see from this beautiful satellite image from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, we have a few areas to look at on Wednesday, October 2nd, including Hurricane Kirk out there in the Atlantic. It's an impressive looking storm, but fortunately it is forecast to stay out to sea and away from land. Here is a look at the 2 p.m. update from the National Hurricane Center, and the Hurricane Center is now actively monitoring Hurricane Kirk, as well as newly formed Tropical Depression 13 out in the Atlantic. The National Hurricane Center is also watching an area near the Gulf of Mexico, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video. For a closer look here, Hurricane Kirk is expected to intensify into a major hurricane while remaining out to sea. Tropical Depression 13 is expected to eventually intensify into a hurricane as well, and it too should remain out to sea. Now, here's the area that could affect land, and as I said, there is a possible system that may develop into at least a tropical depression and move into the Gulf of Mexico around this coming weekend. This is definitely something that we need to watch closely, especially if you're living along the U.S. Gulf Coast. Regardless of development, the National Hurricane Center mentions that the system will bring heavy rain. That's obviously not something that the southeastern USA needs right now, so definitely stay alert about this. The Global Tropics Hazards Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center shows a heightened risk of cyclonic development, including across the main development region over the next couple of weeks. But by the third week in October, the highest chances of development will be near the Western Caribbean. As we all know, the weather can change quickly. Please make sure you follow the National Hurricane Center for all of the latest tropical updates. My friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this weather video and you would like to see more videos from the Caribbean, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, I will continue to keep an eye on the tropical skies, come rain or shine.